Mummy Pig. Peppa. Musical instruments.
Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig have been tidying the house.
Mummy Pig and I found this old box in the attic.
Ooh.
Can anyone guess what's inside?
No. Peppa.
It's full of musical instruments.
Wow.
They are a bit old and dusty.
This is the violin I used to play when I was little.
Mummy, can you play your violin? No.
I hope I haven't forgotten how.
Bravo!
Yay! Mummy, can I play the violin?
Hold it like this.
Yes, Mummy.
Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday.
Oh dear, I do not think it is meant to sound like that. George wants to try.
Hold it like this, George.
That does not sound quite right either.
The violin is too hard to play.
This is Daddy Pig's old accordion.
I used to play this to Mummy Pig when we first met.
George wants to play the accordion too.
Are you sure, George? The accordion is quite difficult. OK, George.
I don't really care about what they say.
Oh, what other instruments are in the box?
Just this horn.
Can I try?
You have to blow it very hard.
Boom, 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 boom.
That does not sound right.
It's in...
I think I used to be able to play it.
I'm a Barbie girl.
That really does not sound right.
Maybe it just needs someone big and strong like me.
All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies.
That does not sound right either.
Peppa's right. It is impossible to play.
Just stick to the accordion. You play it beautifully.
Oh, well, I do play it quite nicely.
And I'll play my violin.
And I will play my drum.
George is blowing the horn.
Mummy couldn't play the horn. And Daddy couldn't play it. And even I couldn't play it. But George can play it.